Hey guys, welcome back to the Gramophone channel. Today we're doing something fun. How about a nice demonstration of something cool, something we haven't really covered before. This is a Pro-ject VC-S2 and it is a vinyl cleaning system. Basically, it is a specialized vacuum cleaner for vinyl records. I'm going to show you how it works. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to the Gramophone channel and click that button right down there that looks like a little bell so you don't miss out on anything. Here's your question of the day. Have you ever owned a vinyl cleaning solution? All right, y'all, come a little bit closer so I can show you how this works and get a nice little shot here of what you get in your box. It comes with Pro-ject's own record cleaning solution, and this is a special blend of alcohol for cleaning records, and you get a couple of accessories, such as a brush to help work that solution in. This is a little pour-off nozzle so that you can empty your tank when you're done, because there's actually a tank that will store the liquid in it. And then this is a little bottle meant for filling with distilled water in case you want to rinse your records afterwards. All right, how about we just clean a record? We'll take our clamp off, of course. We are going to put our record on the base. This is a nice pressing of Pinkerton by Weezer, which I have sullied badly with fingerprints. Let's see what we can do about that. I'm gonna take some solution, drizzle a little bit on our record. You don't need too much. We're gonna grab our brush and we're gonna turn our motor on and let this do much of the work for us. And I'm just gonna spread out that solution a little bit, like so. In fact, let's throw just a little more on there, make sure we really get this guy covered. And we brush, helping this to get down into the grooves of our nice piece of vinyl here. And voila, that's step one done. We've got our record essentially washed. But now we need to dry it, and this is where the vacuum element comes in. This will get a little noisy, so we're gonna take our arm, put it up over our record, line it up, start it up, and we're gonna kick the vacuum on. And then we're gonna reverse. And voila, that, my friends, is a clean piece of vinyl. Fingerprints be gone. So, if you would like to have much cleaner records at home, and therefore better sounding records, and longer lasting records, take a look at the Pro-ject VC-S2. It is that easy to use as you just saw. It just works, simple wins. You can pick this up for just under $500 at skybygramophone.com. Just click the links down below, secure checkout, fast and free shipping. Or come see us in the showroom and we'll actually show you this in action with your own two eyes. You can find us in Columbia, Timonium, in Gaithersburg, Maryland. We also have a beautiful kitchen design center in Hunt Valley. So, if you guys had fun today, and if you felt like you learned something, really hope you did, especially with that demo, make sure you give this video a like, drop any more questions and comments you have down below. Don't forget that question of the day, and of course, be seeing you.